In this video, I'm going to show you how to hand letter on almost any surface using 3 different types of contact paper from Kassa. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. So first I want to mention I use the Kassa chalk markers, and my very favorite thing to letter on is glass. So I just frame a black piece of paper and then it looks like it's chalk lettering. This is what the marker looks like. I really like all of the colors that these markers have. This is not a sponsored video, but Kassa did send me these contact papers to try. So this first one is the transparent contact paper. On the box it explains how to apply this contact paper. It recommends 2 people to do it, but I did not find it to be difficult for me to do it. This does come with some dry erase markers and a little towel to erase. I don't like dry erase markers, so I haven't used mine, but I really love that the chalk markers are so smooth on this. They erase easily. So really, you could put this clear contact paper on anything and you can letter on it. I originally lettered this USA map on a black poster board with the white chalk marker, and on this one I decided I wanted it to be more colorful because that's more my style. I love that because it's so easily erased, I didn't have to sketch it out beforehand. You can see that I am erasing a lot, but that's not a problem. I could get it exactly how I wanted. Once the chalk marker dries, it is a little harder to erase, but that's good so it doesn't erase so easily. I would just take a little bit of water to erase all of it. On my blog, I have the USA map outline this size. If you would like to make your own, I will link to that below. I hang this in my office to show where my Etsy sales have gone. This was my original one, and I just used the sticky, tacky stuff to keep it on there. So I was excited to try out the new contact paper, and it sticks really well, and I'm really pleased. And the next one is the Chalkboard contact paper. This one does have more texture on it, like a chalkboard. And I cut out strips and I put them on my plastic drawers that holds all of my lettering stuff. Actually, it's not all, it's just whatever I can fit in there because I am overflowing. So I really like this because if I ever change what's in the drawers, I can always just erase it and re-letter what it is. It does help me with organization, so I know a little bit better what's in each drawer. I'm sorry about the lighting. I was filming and I did not notice that the light was coming in my window, and by the end it was too late to start over. So just like the clear contact paper, you could put this on any flat surface. You could have any wall now be a chalkboard. You could put it on your fridge, put it in a frame. I really like how this turned out on my plastic drawers. And the last one I will show you is the Whiteboard contact paper. I decided to make myself a calendar. I see people using the really large wall calendars, and I am not a calendar person, but I want to be because I know it's helpful to plan everything out. But mostly I just use sticky notes everywhere, and it works, but also not really. So we'll see if I like this or not. I'm just using the chalkboard contact paper to make all of the lines, and unfortunately my video cut off so you can't see the long boring process, but I do love that I can use my chalk markers to letter and they don't erase as easily as dry erase markers. If you have a different idea of how you would use this contact paper, I would love to hear it. Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. I'll see you next time.